Hello student, welcome to my YouTube channel. From last few sessions, I am explaining you about different identities and how to use them in a given question. Today I will explain you how to multiply two digits by using identity. This topic belongs to class 8th as well as class 9th also. Here I am going to multiply 103 by 107 and I have taken some example more. We will multiply these numbers by using identity. Let's see how you can do this. So ready guys? Let's start. Let's take the first example, 103 and 107. First of all, you have to estimate these both numbers. This number you can see they are round of nearest hundreds. So break this number into rounding of hundreds. 103 can be written as 100 plus 3 and 107 can be written as 100 plus 7. This question now becomes in the form of x plus a and x plus b. So you will use this identity here. I have already written this identity. X plus a, x plus b can be expanded by x square plus a plus b into x plus a. So write down the formula again. Now what is x here? X is 100, a is 3 and b is 7. Now use the formula 100 plus 3 and 100 plus 7. I am writing the question again. X square, you have to square. X means 100 bracket 3 plus 7 because here a plus b is given. So a is 3 and b is 7. 3 plus 7 into x. What is x here? X is 100. Use this sign AB. AB means A into B. So we have to multiply 3 into 7. Now 3 into 7. Now square this number. It will become 10,000. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 into 100 become 1000. And 3 7 are 21. Now add all these numbers and you will get your answer by multiplying these both numbers using a identity. So let us take the next example. Second example is 95 into 96. 95 is nearest to the 100. We have to see the number of the digit given in our question. Here we are having two digits. So we will break it to nearest 100. If we are having in our question three digits, then we have to break this number nearest to the 1000. So we are breaking 95 as 100 minus 5 and 96 as 100 minus 4. X is 100 here. A minus 5 and B is minus 4. Now apply the formula x plus a, x plus b equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. X is 100, so we have to square of 100 plus a is minus 5. Negative number cannot be written independently, so we have to use a bracket for writing it. Now use this sign, this is positive sign, and put the value of b here. Close the bracket and outside it is x and x is 100 plus a multiply b. ab is a multiply b, so we have to multiply minus 4 by minus 5. Minus 5 is a and minus 4 is b. Now expand it. 10,000 minus 5 and minus 4. Open the brackets first. Plus minus minus into 100 plus 5 4 is 20 and minus minus will become a positive sign. We have no need to write this positive sign here. Now minus 5 and minus 4 will become minus 9 because minus minus is plus. 5 and 4 9 and you have to write the sign of the greater number. Greater number is 5 here and it is having negative sign. Multiply by 100 plus 20. Now calculate. 900 plus minus will become minus and 20. You have to add the positive number first and then subtract the negative number. After subtracting, this will be the answer of your question. You can also check this number by multiplying this number by this number by using a simple multiplication method which you are using in your earlier classes. So after applying the formula, we can expand this like this, and this is our formula. So guys, we can multiply any given number, any two numbers, by using this formula and using this method. Hope you are liking and understanding whatever I am explaining you. If you like my work, then please subscribe my channel and share it to your friends also, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.